Hey, I'm Supats, lifelong solopreneur. Now living my life with only one passion to help solopreneurs to launch their digital products on fast track so that they can be profitable as fast as within 1 week, and they want to scale, they can join the membership. And as a bonus, I show them how they can sell their digital products all over the world using affiliates. Without further delay, let's get started. We are going live, and yeah, I'm just trying out different timings to go live. But I'm here, I'm just excited. And why are we in the business? We are in the business to help our clients move forward. And sometimes we see that our clients are stuck and they are not motivated enough to take action. We are doing our part, but if they don't do their part, they won't see the results and transformation what they are looking for. So, love, today's topic is going to cover about proven strategies to motivate action and build lasting success for our clients. Okay, so transform your coaching or consulting business with strategies that help clients break through barriers and take meaningful action. So, if you are meeting me for the first time, I'm Sue Pats. I'm excited to be over here. My passion is to help solopreneurs succeed because I am a lifelong solopreneur. No, I'm not a solopreneur. I'm entrepreneur and small business owner because my business is booming. I'm just excited. But it's always my passion to help solopreneur because only one solopreneur understands other solopreneur. Neither their friends nor family. If they are not solopreneur, they don't understand. And solopreneurs, they go through lots of challenges. Nobody understands them. They wear so many hats. They work really hard. Solopreneurs quit 40 hours of job to work into business and end up working 80 hours. There are so many challenges solopreneurs go through. So this is my passion to help solopreneurs to share my experience, my wisdom, my success, so that even they succeed in their business. And so I was bedridden for 1 year, and when I recovered, I thought it was my bonus life, and I wanted to devote my bonus life for solopreneur success. And that's why I started giving free resources. Like I started blogging. I thought that's a great way to provide free resources to solopreneurs so that they can take the resources and move ahead. But the result was different. Me, people really loved my blogs. And they said, okay, we love your blogs. We don't have time to read. Why don't you start podcast and YouTube? I started podcasting and YouTube based on demand. And also all my free resources, I saw solopreneurs were not implementing them because it was free. So they were putting on the shelf and they said, okay, sometime later. And that really made me realize that unless someone pays some kind of resources, they don't pay attention, they don't take action. And when they don't take action, they don't see the results or transformation. So now I have offers, though my offers are really of a great price. Means my main core offer, that master resell right reaches the MRR success, it's like 90% off. But I'm giving ready-made courses on silver platter with all the marketing material. So if someone wants to start a business, or even someone wants to have a side hustle or extra stream of income, they can just get started and start making money. Yeah, I have case studies. Made money within 1 week. And if you don't have any subscriber base or nothing, then hey, within couple of months you can create a subscriber base and start creating revenue. So those are the things and everything. Now every offer I have, it's mainly to help solopreneur, because I saw solopreneurs struggling to create lead magnet like 6 months. You don't need that much time to create a lead magnet. So now we have a lead magnet offer. We can create your lead magnet in 6 hours. Then various other offers. So I saw people struggling in creating e-courses for 3 years, and that's why I'm giving ready-made e-courses. Yeah, you might be saying AI is so useful in creating e-courses, eh? But still it takes some time, okay? Ready-made is always better than AI. And AI is a tool. AI cannot replace everything what you do. You can use AI tool to automate, and you can do AI to tell get ideas and outline and all. But still, it is your business, your strategy. So let's get started without further delay. So every service provider, whether coach, consultant, course creator, or agency owner, has faced the frustration of clients who start strong but quickly lose momentum. You invest time and energy only to watch promising clients get stuck, distracted, overwhelmed, and this stalls their progress and impacts your business growth. So here are some common pain points you and your clients might be facing, okay? Clients lose motivation soon after starting. Overwhelm causes paralysis and inaction. Hidden mindset blocks prevent progress. Difficulty setting meaningful, achievable goals. Lack of accountability leads to inconsistent follow through. Clients ghost and disengage without explanation. And this happens, yeah, with one too many, it happens really fast. Means I created New Beginning Success Collaboration, and that membership is loaded with like a 50,000 plus worth of resources. And at every module, every lecture, I have put a form that please ask if you have any question, please give your suggestion. And hardly anyone has used it. And this is me, I'm willing to give even then one-on-one replies, and still nobody's using it. And this is for one to many, but even for this can happen even to one-on-one clients also. Means they have paid already huge amount to you, and still if they are not motivated enough to take action, it is a loss for everyone, right? You struggle to re-engage and support your client. So let's address all these pain points and just see how we can come up with a solution. So clear and actionable system. Build motivational relationship. Build coaching relationship that spark and sustain motivation. We will see how we can do it in this presentation. Address mindset blocks. Identify and address resistance and mindset blocks. Set inspiring goals. Help clients set inspiring goals that lead to real progress. You must have heard about SMART goals, right? So, SMART goals are also a really good idea. And make sure your clients are setting SMART goals, and you can just guide them, but you cannot set their goal. They have to set their goal themselves. So, let's help our clients achieve their goals. Implement accountability. Implement simple accountability systems that keep momentum. And re-engage clients who have drifted away. This presentation offers a clear actionable system designed to solve these exact problems. You will learn to building motivational coaching relationships, 60% higher follow through. Clients who feel genuinely supported are more likely to follow through on commitments. So, are they feeling that they are getting enough support from you? 40% increase retention. A wellness coach saw this increase in client retention over 6 months with weekly check ins. So, research shows that clients who feel genuinely supported are 60% more likely to follow through on commitments. A wellness coach helped her client by creating weekly check in focused on progress, not perfection, resulting in a 40% increase in client retention over 6 months of period. Identifying hidden resistance and mindset blocks. Identify limiting beliefs. Recognize self sabotaging thoughts. And that's why I have a course, Overcoming Imposter Syndrome. Because what happens, you know each and every mistake you have done in your life. So you are the biggest judge of yourself. Other people are busy with their life, they are not judging you. But you might be feeling, oh, they are judging me. But nobody has that much time to judge you, they have their own problems. But we know each and every mistake we have done, and we are actually, yeah, we are just actually self sabotaging ourselves all the time, and it is not needed. As far as you are genuine, you are authentic, you can communicate with your clients, and even clients can communicate with you, and everything is fine. Because my one of my mentors says that the day you become perfect, God will call you. So as far as you are living human being, you are not going to be perfect. So don't go for perfection, but as far as you are better today than yesterday, it is a great journey. Address it directly, discuss beliefs openly and honestly. This also might be really hard, so that's why you have to build really great relationship with your clients, so that they can open up and they can tell you honestly what is right, what is wrong. Reframe perspective, create new empowering mindsets. So this is when you overcome imposter syndrome. This is the next step. And major results. So track improvements in performance. So many clients unknowingly sabotage themselves due to limiting beliefs. A business consultant worked with a startup founder who believed failure means I'm not cut out of for this. And by addressing this mindset, the founder doubled revenue within 12 months. Failure means that particular strategy didn't work. So you have to tweak it, you have to change it. So strategy failed. You did not fail. And you can use failure as a learning lesson, as a stepping stone, and move ahead. And I know it is really hard way, but it is the proven way. You read anyone's autobiography, you will see that their initial life has gone into lot of struggles. Yeah, even Lincoln's story you might be knowing. He was defeated so many times, but now he's one of the best president known of. And I remember someone said, Dustin Hoffman, hey, you were overnight success. And he said, yeah, my overnight was 10 years. So this is true for everyone. So don't keep on beating up yourself all the time, okay? So create inspiring and achievable goals. How you can do that? Daily action, immediate next steps. Daily actions are so important. And that's why I always say that when you start your day, don't start your day with the things you are comfortable doing it. Start with the day with the high priority, most important thing, and make a list of things which you want to achieve that particular day, and then prioritize. Start with the most important thing, and even if you don't finish all the things on the list, still you would have worked on the most important thing. So at the end of the day, you will feel productive. Otherwise, if you just keep on spending time in the most comfortable things, yeah, at the end of the day, you won't achieve much. And as a solopreneur, you wear many hats. Just make sure the most of the time you wear the high value hat, like CEO hat, CFO hat. And as far as possible, you can delegate or outsource the hats of like admin, graphic designer, and all those hats. You can always outsource. If you still want to do them, then make sure that your important strategies are covered at the beginning of the day, and then later on you can tackle these low value tasks. Weekly objectives, short term actionable tasks. So, when you have daily action plans set, it affects week, it will give you better month, it will give you better year, and eventually you will achieve your vision and your goal. So, weekly objectives are for short term actionable tasks, milestone goals, medium term achievements, and ultimate vision, long term, that goal which is really inspiring you and motivating you. So when I'm talking about you means for you and even for your clients. Data from a productivity study reveals that clients with clear measurable goals are 70% more likely to complete projects. Because if you don't know where you are going, you will reach there. That means nowhere. It's always better to have clear, achievable goal. And online education provide help students by focusing and helping them achieve their clear goals. The completion rate increased by 35%. Creating simple accountability systems. Many times people take action just because they are accountable to someone. I remember till my seventh grade, I never paid any attention to studies because I was interested in every possible field. I was interested in music and dancing and games and everything. So, study was my least priority. And even by osmosis, I used to be among top three. Top three, sometimes top five, but I just didn't care because till seventh grade, I was absolutely not interested in studies. Then, at the seventh grade final results, I told my mom, why don't you come for the celebration? So my mom knew my potential and she asked me one thing. She said, why should I come for the celebration and see someone else getting the first rank prize? I mean, she was implying that she knew that I had potential to get the first rank, but I was not putting action for that. And that really hit me big time. And from that moment on, I just made sure that I would be the first. Yeah, I would be the top ranker in my school, in my class, and I just did it just because I wanted to be accountable to my mom. Because even at that point, I didn't care. For me, first rank, third rank, fifth rank, who cares? It didn't bother me at all. But just because my mom wanted me to be the topper, I just became accountable to her and I took action. So if you create that kind of relationship with your clients, they will work for you. So establish commitment, create clear agreements, schedule check-ins, regular progress reviews, peer accountability, group support systems, and then track progress, measure and celebrate wins. I have a membership and I talk to many other membership owners, and everybody mentioned that they have tough time showing people on their live calls. And then there was one lady, she said she made some changes and now her members do show up on live calls. So one thing she did, she increased the prices because when people pay high amount, they pay attention and they take action. So her membership was like a mid ticket. It was like $49 per month. She raised it to, yeah, 149. She raised it by one. And people who were serious about her program, they stayed. She also got lots of new clients and people started showing up for her live calls. And second thing, she moved all her courses and community and everything on one platform. Because if your courses are on one platform and if your community is on other platform, it's very hard to communicate and engage. So she put everything on one platform, and she said no, people show up for her live calls mainly as a peer accountability because they are accountable to each other. So it is not necessarily they are accountable to her, though she is their guide, but they are more accountable to each other and they show up for the live calls. So peer accountability, it's really, really important. So first of all, yeah, you raise prices because when people pay more, they pay attention. If it is your membership is low ticket or mid ticket, people won't show up. People won't show up. I am part of one membership. It is a low ticket, and she has like a 7,000 members. But her weekly live calls, only two or three people show up, and she has a monthly live call, and there like a 20, 30 people show up out of her 7,000 members. So those are the statistics. And if she has other courses, like she has a masterminds, and those are really expensive, like a $200 per month, and there people show up, and there at least 80% of the people show up for the live calls because they are paying huge amount. And people who show up for the live call, they show up for each other, and they are accountable to each other. So these are the strategies which are working. Okay, I'm just sharing with you. Accountability partners or tools can boost productivity by up to 65%. A marketing agency introduced a peer accountability group for clients, resulting in 50% faster project completion and higher satisfaction scores. Re engaging ghosted clients, personalized outreach, send thoughtful, non judgmental reconnection messages. Just ask, hi, how are you doing? I didn't see you for a while. So just wanted to know, is everything okay? Offer value. Provide a mini session or helpful resource. Reset expectations. Create a new and more achievable plan together. If your client says, oh, I'm really busy right now, this thing is going on, that thing going on, the summer, so my kids are off school, and we are traveling a lot. I just cannot do all the homework and everything whatever is needed. You can just reset the expectations and rebuild momentum. Start with quick wins to restore confidence. So, studies indicate that 25% of clients disengage at some point, but can be reactivated with the right approach. A financial advisor reconnected with 30% of inactive clients by sending personalized progress reminders and offering mini coaching sessions, restoring significantly high number of clients back into the system. So these are the action process, step by step framework. Action A for awareness. Help clients recognize their current situation and challenges clearly so that we can set up the realistic plan. Commitment. Establish strong dedication to specific meaningful goals. Tracking. Implement systems that monitor progress consistently. Then, inspiration. Provide motivation and support during challenging periods. Yeah, we are for our clients in their thick and thin, right? Yeah, it is like another kind of marriage. Ownership. Develop client responsibility for their journey and results. And next steps, create clear action plans for continuing advancements. So, this proven process guides clients through awareness, commitment, tracking, inspiration, ownership, and next steps, helping them move from stuck to successful, and they can achieve their goal, they can reach their vision. And this is proven system. It showed 45% increase in client goal achievement within 3 months. So let's conclude. So transform your coaching business. How can you do that? Imagine transforming your coaching or consulting business by consistently helping clients break through barriers and take meaningful action. This system is not only for improving clients' results but also boost your reputation and revenue, helping you reach 6 or 7 figures with confidence. Take the first step. Take the first step toward this transformation. Implement these strategies and watch your clients move from overwhelmed and stuck to motivated and successful. Redeem your gifts. Yeah, since you are attending this presentation, redeem your gifts. Go to newbeginning.com and new spell it nu beginning.com. And if you want a shortcut to starting or scaling your business with less hassle, explore our Biz Inbox for you. And these are the MRR success courses I mentioned, ready-made courses with all the ready-made marketing material like sales pages, social media faceless reels, and yeah, funnels, email sequences, everything. A toolkit designed to get your business up and running in a day or at the most in a week. So check out our newbeginning.com/webinar for details and including optional AI upgrade. Okay. So your clients are waiting for you to guide them properly. Use these strategies and help your clients achieve their goals. When they achieve their goals, you will achieve your goals because we are getting paid for solving our clients' problems. So even though they paid you, but if they are not moving, it is in a way their responsibility to take action. But if they are stuck, you can just go ahead and help them get unstuck and help them achieve their goals. Thank you and God bless you.
Success stories from busy professionals just like you. As a full-time project manager and dad of two, I was skeptical about fitting another business opportunity into my packed schedule. But this system was different. The ready-made products meant I didn't have to create content from scratch. And the step-by-step implementation meant I could make progress in 30-minute chunks after the kids went to bed. I launched my first digital course in 3 weeks of evenings and weekends, and made my first sales within a month. This is the first program that worked with my real life. James T., project manager and side hustle entrepreneur.
Hey, thanks for joining us. We are blessed to have you as part of our community, and whatever way we can help you, serve you, let us know. Please subscribe and let us know how we can help you, what resources you want. We have lots of free resources and also free collaboration joint venture groups you can join and explode your business, because most solopreneurs quit their business before they launch their first products, and I don't want that to happen to you. And that's why we have special launch service where you can monetize your digitals and become profitable as fast as within 7 days. And if you want to scale your business, join our membership New Beginning Success Collaboration, where we'll provide you MRR and PLR products and collaborations so that you can scale your business with ease and effortlessly. And hey, if you want to sell your digitals all over the world, yes, we will provide you affiliates more than 200 countries. So everything is possible. Just live your dream, follow your dream, and whichever way we can help you, do let us know. Thank you and God bless you.